Dear traders, in this video, I'm going to talk about currency strength meter or an indicator. This currency strength meter is very useful to find the trend of the market. This is a free indicator. You can download it on my Telegram channel. Telegram channel details are in the description below. Straight to the point, how to install and use it. So I'll open the indicator here first. We'll copy this, go to the terminal and file, open data folder, MQL4 indicators, and paste here. Go back to MT4, go right click and refresh here. The indicator is already here. We will drag and drop this indicator to install here. We will change some inputs here. Make this 7 to 6.5 and this 2 to 2.5 and this into this into 6.0. Now change this red color into blue and this dots blue into red. So that's it. Okay. So how to use this indicator? So we have to take this blue and red currencies. So when this is blue and red, take the currency for the analysis. So now almost euro and JPY are getting the reading here. Euro is blue and JPY is red. So euro JPY, we'll see euro JPY. So I already made the template, so I'll just directly click on the template, currency strength meter. So see, euro is a strong currency. Now JPY is a weaker currency. So euro is going up and JPY is going down. In that case, in euro JPY, the pair should move up direction. So you can see in H1, it is going up. You can see nicely it is going up. It is breaking this resistance point. And you can also see in different time frame H4. So this is going up now. Up direction is already started. You can see it's already broke this point. We can expect a buy direction from here onwards. So this is simple. So we'll take another example. Since CHF is not in a blue color, but still I'll take the CHF JPY for a read just to see how it is working. CHF JPY. And apply the template. So CHF JPY, see this also, see this currency moving up direction. You can check in H4. See, this is moving up. So that's it. This is a very simple indicator. It will tell you the currency strengths. In the next video, I will give you the best non-repeat indicators. Using those non-repeat indicators and this currency strength meter, we will see how to analyze the market for more accuracy. Thank you.